Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy, enact it." And one way to do that is to get clear on our values. What do you really care about? We're going to play a fun little game. In order to play along, you're going to need a notebook or a journal and something to write with. I've got a giant list, a giant stack of cards that each have a separate value on them. I'm going to draw them at random, and for each one I want you to write down the value and then assign it a number from 1 to 10. 10 being this is the most important thing in my life, and 1 being I could give a about this thing. Here we go. The first one is tradition, to respect the values of the past. Humor, to see the humorous side of myself and others. Popularity, to be well liked by many people. Random, this is interesting. Friendship, to have close, supportive friends. Self-control, to be disciplined in my own actions. Let's go. Creativity, to have new and original ideas. I am drawing these at random. Number 2, authority, to be in charge and have authority over others. Number 3, challenge, to take on difficult tasks and problems. This is a good follow-up. Purpose, to have meaning and direction in my life. Helpfulness, to be helpful to others. Monogamy, to have one close and loving relationship. It's hilarious. Openness, to be open to new experiences, ideas, and options. God's will, to seek and obey the will of God. Mindfulness, to live conscious and mindful of the present moment. Accuracy, to be accurate in my opinions and beliefs. Sexuality, to have an active and satisfying sex life. Moderation, to avoid excess and find a middle ground. And I am drawing these at random. World peace, to work to promote peace in the world. Independence, to be free from the dependence on others. Service, to be of service to others. Risk, to take risks and chances. Simplicity, to live simply with minimal needs. Contribution, to make a lasting contribution in the world. Forgiveness, to be forgiving of others. Inner peace, to experience personal peace. Flexibility, to adjust to new circumstances easily. Spirituality, to grow and mature spiritually, whatever that means. Courtesy, to be courteous, considerate, and polite towards others. Responsibility, to make and carry out responsible decisions. And nonconformity, to question and challenge authority and norms. Nonconformity. Fitness, to be physically fit and strong. Fitness. Stability, to have a life that stays fairly consistent. Stability. Safety, to be safe and secure. Excitement, to have a life full of thrills and stimulation. Nurturance, to take care of and nurture others. If you like this, let's go. Power, to have power and control over others. That's some bullshit. Power isn't about power over others. Power is about power over yourself and power exerting force or having power over circumstance, situations, not necessarily other people. That's bullshit. Romance, to have intense, exciting love in my life. Commitment, to make enduring, meaningful commitments. Fun, to play and have fun. Duty, to carry out my duties and obligations. Knowledge, to learn and contribute valuable knowledge. Adventure, to have new and exciting experiences. Realism, to see and act realistically and practically. Solitude, to have time and space where I can be apart from others. Growth, to keep changing and growing. Dependability, to be reliable and trustworthy. Loving, to give love to others. Achievement, to have important accomplishments. Health, to be physically well and healthy. I don't know why they didn't include mental health on randomly. And the first one is order, to have a life that is well ordered and organized. Acceptance, to be accepted as I am. It was an excellent random sequence. Self-knowledge, to have a deep and honest understanding of myself. Self-esteem, to feel good about myself. Dang. Passion, to have deep feelings about ideas, activities, or people. And genuineness, to act in a manner that is true to who I am. Ecology, to live in harmony with the environment. It's about time. Hope, to maintain a positive and optimistic outlook. Family, to have a happy, loving family. Justice, to promote fair and equal treatment for all. Tolerance, to accept and respect those who differ from me. Comfort, to have a pleasant and comfortable life. Cooperation, to work cooperatively with others. Autonomy, to be self-determined and independent. Fame, to be known and recognized. Beauty, to appreciate the beauty around me and within me. Wealth, to have plenty of money. Change, to have a life full of change and variety. Honesty, to be honest and truthful. Generosity, to give what I have to others. Rationality, to be guided by reason and logic. Compassion, to feel and act on a concern for others. And humility, to be modest and unassuming. Okay, so if you've been playing along and you've gotten through all of these value cards and you've ranked each of them from a scale of 1 to 10, your task now is to go back through that list and identify the ones that you are most valuable to you, the ones that you put the highest numbers on, and identify the ones that you put the lowest numbers on. Put the most highest values and least values next to each other. You're going to use that as a template to go deeper and understand how you define each of those terms. So let's say you choose romance as one of your top values. What does that mean to you? Why did you choose it? How do you understand romance? Let's say it was a perfect example, I'm still drawing them randomly. Honesty. What does that mean to you? Honesty with yourself, honesty with others, honesty on a platform like this. So you have your list. Now go through it and identify what each of those actually mean to you.